Hi guys, today I'm going to be adding an outlet behind the couch here for the two lamps. I got my weatherproof box with weatherproof outlet of GFI and weatherproof cover, and then it's going to go all the way to, I got my LR 90 pipes going to go this way. Another LR along the side, 90 this way into the panel, rusty old panel. That's going to be changed out one day on a 20-amp breaker. So I got my 12 wire, red, white, and green fish tape breakers in the box. Okay, so there's the box with the GFI outlet in there. And then pipe strap all the way there, strap, and then up in there on the breaker. So if you want to see it done, just hire me and I'll show you how it was done. No, it's another job done. It's still hot. It's Friday, 90 degrees hotter. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.